All right, this is video 6, I think. It is the current work. So I'm going to read through this statement a little quicker because it's quite long. So this is the neurology series, started in 2017. The catalyst for my current work was a traumatic personal event that unfolded in 2017. My infant son was diagnosed with a rare and dangerous neurological disorder that caused severe epilepsy. This condition required extreme brain surgery involving a complete disconnection of the hemispheres. My current work is informed by my extensive research into brain malfunctions, structures, and neuroplasticity. I became fascinated by neuronal cellular forms, and what began as catharsis evolved into a new visual vocabulary within my long-time conceptual focus on environmental degradation. The materials are varied, ranging from translucent porcelain, black stoneware, air-dry clay, slip-dipped and fired wasps' nests, and botanical specimens, wire, and LED lights. The wasps' nests have a paradoxical representation as both an incubator of new life, but also a harbinger of danger. Our bodies mirror nature in undeniable ways, yet our society has created an artificial construct that enables us to see ourselves as separate from nature. This allows us to enact our right to control and abuse resources to which we feel entitled. Botanical and human vascular and respiratory systems, like neurons and their synapses, move impulses and sustenance through our bodies. The information superhighway that exists amongst tree roots in the form of mycelium fungal networks informs this work as well. These forms serve as a metaphor for and symbol of society's dysfunctional relationship with nature. The neuronal forms in my work are malformed, diseased, and deteriorating, their connections weakened by abnormal impulses, a dissonance caused by a detachment from their origins. This work explores the danger of ambivalence in the face of environmental crisis. So just some light reading there. Okay, so this is one of the first pieces I did in this series to kind of try out the techniques of putting the light inside of a translucent porcelain shell. So the main body of the cells were slip cast in a plaster mold. And then when I took them out of the mold, I added additional dendrites. Dendrites are the branches of brain cells. And so it's mounted on black stoneware. And so you can see those wasps' nests that I mentioned. I just take the paper wasp nest and dip it in the slip and just stick it right in there. It creates this nice little pods for the lights to sit in. Okay, so the general shape of the black stoneware is meant to reference MRI. It's kind of a elongated MRI image of a brain, because we spent a lot of time looking at those in the process of getting Emmett diagnosed, and that's 2 cells dividing there. So I'm going to back up here and give a full shot of the wall series here, and then I will do an additional video where we zoom in, again, to just try to keep these videos in the 5-minute range. I'm also going to come back tonight when it's dark and take an additional video with their lights on in the dark. So there is the full shot of all of them, and I will start the next video.